The ultimate guide to free crypto airdrops, where and how to find them. Cryptocurrency airdrops are a popular way for blockchain projects to distribute free tokens to the crypto community. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or a beginner, airdrops offer an excellent opportunity to earn free crypto without investing any money. In this guide, we'll explore what crypto airdrops are, where to find them, and how to participate safely. What are crypto airdrops? Crypto airdrops are events where blockchain projects distribute free tokens or coins to wallet addresses. These airdrops are often used to promote a new project, reward loyal users, increase token circulation and adoption, encourage community engagement. Airdrops can range from small amounts of tokens to significant distributions, depending on the project's goals. Types of crypto airdrops. Standard airdrops. Tokens are distributed for free to wallet addresses that meet specific criteria, e.g., holding a particular cryptocurrency. Bounty airdrops. Users complete tasks, e.g., sharing on social media, joining Telegram groups, to receive tokens. Holder airdrops. Tokens are distributed to users who hold a specific cryptocurrency in their wallets, e.g., Ethereum or Binance Coin. Exclusive airdrops. Tokens are distributed to early adopters or members of a specific community. Forked airdrops. New tokens are distributed to holders of an existing cryptocurrency after a blockchain fork, e.g., Bitcoin Cash from Bitcoin. Where to find free crypto airdrops? Here are the best platforms and resources to discover legitimate crypto airdrops. 1. Airdrop aggregator websites. Airdrop Alert, airdropalert.com. A comprehensive platform listing ongoing and upcoming airdrops. Airdrops.io, airdrops.io. Features verified airdrops with detailed instructions. CoinMarketCap Airdrops, coinmarketcap.com/airdrop. Lists airdrops from projects tracked on CoinMarketCap. Airdrop King, airdropking.io. Offers a curated list of airdrops with user ratings. 2. Crypto forums and communities. Bitcoin Talk, bitcointalk.org. A popular forum with a dedicated airdrops and bounties section. Reddit, reddit.com/r/cryptoairdrops. A community-driven subreddit for sharing airdrop opportunities. Telegram groups. Many projects announce airdrops in their official Telegram channels. 3. Social media platforms. Twitter, X. Follow crypto influencers and projects for airdrop announcements. Discord. Join Discord servers of blockchain projects to stay updated on airdrops. 4. Crypto news websites. Cointelegraph, cointelegraph.com. Occasionally features articles on major airdrops. CryptoPotato, cryptopotato.com. Covers trending airdrops and how to participate. How to find and participate in crypto airdrops. Follow these steps to find and claim free crypto airdrops. Step 1. Set up a crypto wallet. Use a secure wallet that supports multiple cryptocurrencies, e.g., MetaMask, Trust Wallet. Ensure your wallet is compatible with the airdrops blockchain, e.g., Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain. Step 2. Stay informed. Regularly check airdrop aggregator websites, forums, and social media for new opportunities. Subscribe to newsletters or Telegram channels dedicated to airdrops. Step 3. Complete the requirements. Follow the instructions provided by the airdrop project. Common tasks include joining a Telegram group or Discord server, following the project on Twitter and retweeting posts, signing up on the project's website, holding a specific cryptocurrency in your wallet. Step 4. Provide your wallet address. Submit your wallet address as instructed by the project. Be cautious of scams, never share your private key or seed phrase. Step 5. Wait for distribution. Airdropped tokens are usually distributed after the event ends. Check your wallet for the new tokens. Tips for safe participation. Avoid scams. Be wary of airdrops asking for private keys or upfront payments. Verify the legitimacy of the project and its team. Use a separate wallet. Create a dedicated wallet for airdrops to protect your main funds. Research the project. Only participate in airdrops from reputable projects with a clear use case. Beware of gas fees. Some airdrops require you to pay gas fees to claim tokens. Ensure the token's value outweighs the fee. Stay organized. Keep track of the airdrops you've participated in and their distribution dates. Popular airdrops in crypto history. Uniswap, Uni distributed 400 Uni tokens to users who interacted with the platform. Stellar Lumens, XLM gave away free XLM to promote adoption. EOS conducted a year-long airdrop to distribute tokens. Conclusion. Crypto airdrops are a fantastic way to earn free tokens and explore new projects in the blockchain space. By staying informed and following the steps outlined in this guide, you can safely participate in airdrops and grow your crypto portfolio. Remember to always prioritize security and avoid scams. Happy airdrop hunting! Rocket. Disclaimer: crypto airdrops involve risks, including scams and worthless tokens. Always do your own research, DYOR, before participating.